In today's video, folks, I'm going to Dairy Queen to get myself a crispy chicken sandwich and finally the Peach Cobbler Blizzard. Hi, could I get a crispy chicken sandwich, please?
Oh, sure. Just a sandwich or a combo?
Just a sandwich.
For sure. Just to let you know, we dropped the Crispies fresh for each other, so it's going to take around 5 minutes to cook for that, if that's okay for you.
Yeah, that's fine. And I'll also get a Peach Cobbler Blizzard.
Sure, what time?
Small.
And set up a time?
And that's it.
We can drop it up.
Thank you.
Sure.
For sure, I don't mind if they cook it fresh and wait an additional 5 minutes. Right, folks? Okay, folks, so I placed my order, went up to the window, paid for it, and they're still cooking the chicken, and now I'm parked out front. Again, this is the one thing that I don't mind waiting for. I hate lineups, but I do not mind a lineup. I would much rather, when I'm ordering fast food, for them to say they have to cook it fresh, and do you mind waiting? So I know I'm going to get a fresh chicken sandwich. Already, they got some bonus points. Stay tuned, folks. Close up coming up. Okay, folks, here is what we're dealing with. The chicken sandwich. I'm sorry for the lighting, folks. It is one of those cloudy days. This was cooked fresh. You heard them. Look at that. We have tomato, lettuce, lots of mayonnaise. And do we have more mayonnaise on the bottom? Yes, we do, folks. A crispy chicken sandwich. I'm looking forward to trying it. This will be the first non-burger item I've ever eaten from Dairy Queen. And we have, folks, the Blizzard. I've been waiting to get this, the Peach Cobbler Blizzard. Folks, without further ado, I'm going in. Okay, folks, here's what we're dealing with. Again, this is the first time I've ever tried a chicken item from Dairy Queen. Their hamburgers are great. Love their hamburgers. But how's their chicken stack up? And the total wait time for this, it was about 7 or 8 minutes. So they really cooked this fresh. And that's why I took the time to drive home, because I knew it would be too hot. I don't like my food piping hot. I like it warm to hot, not piping hot. So this should be just the right temperature. I'm only about 4 minutes away. Let's go in, folks. It's good. This is delicious. This is a good chicken sandwich. I'd put that right up there with, it's not Popeye's territory or KFC. To me, the best chicken sandwich that I've ever had, it's a toss-up between Popeye's and Mary Brown's. They're both really good. This is delicious. I give this a 2 thumbs up, where the Popeyes would be the Brady score territory. This is a delicious chicken sandwich, reasonably priced. But again, you don't need a lot of ingredients. This has the lettuce, it has tomato, and it has mayonnaise on it. What could make it better? Maybe some pickles on it. Yes, I don't mind pickles on a chicken sandwich. I think that might give it a little extra snap. But as it is, this is a simple, delicious chicken sandwich. 2 thumbs up. Now, folks, I've been waiting for this. I've tried to order it, said they didn't have it, and here it is. Peach Cobbler McFlurry. I'm going in. Oh, look how thick that is. Ooh, you can feel the chunky bits in there. Let's get a piece. Let's see if I can make a mess all over the place, folks. That's what I'm going to be taking a bite out of. Holy cow. This is unbelievable. A really strong peach flavor, but you know what it kind of reminds me of? Think of an orange creamsicle, but with a peach flavor. That's what this tastes like. And then the chunks of cobbler that are in it, and the even chunks of peaches. This is delicious. Brady score. Sorry, just chewing on the cobbler. It's more ice cream to wash it down. Peach cobbler, delicious. Brady score. My only beef about this is the price. This whole order for the 2 items came to $16. And I think it would have been less than $10 had I not gotten the peach cobbler. So it's expensive for such a small serving. I think that's terrible. Like the prices are just going insane. Where you're going to pay like $7 for something like this. The exact prices you would have already seen them from the clip before. I put those all in afterwards. Uh, this is expensive but delicious, and it's worth going out and giving it a try. Even if you want to get the mini, which is a little teeny one, it's about that size compared to this, just to get a taste of it. This is delicious. Best Blizzard I've ever tasted. Brady score, hands down. That's it, folks. That's my trip to Dairy Queen, trying out a non-beef item, and very pleasantly surprised. It's delicious. 2 thumbs up on the sandwich, Brady score on the cobbler. Thanks, everyone, for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new and you've made it this far, a special thank you to you too. There should be a playlist popping up in a video that YouTube thinks that you may like. If it is something that you like, then please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you along for the ride. Thanks again, everyone. Jamie, signing off. I can hardly wait till I'm done to finish that cobbler.